All right, let's dive into quantum physics 101 in a way that won't make your head spin. Wave-particle duality. Imagine light as this magical entity that can act like both a wave, think of ocean waves, and a particle, like tiny marbles. Depending on how you look at it, light and other particles like electrons can show properties of both waves and particles. It's like they have a double life. Superposition. Picture a cat in a box. In the quantum world, until you look inside, the cat can be both alive and dead at the same time. This is superposition. Particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until you observe them. It's not that they are in one state or another, they're in all possible states at once. Entanglement. Imagine you have two magic dice that, no matter how far apart they are, always land on the same number when rolled. When particles get entangled, they stay connected so that the state of one, whether it's spinning or not, instantly affects the state of the other, even if they are light years apart. Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. Classical versus quantum physics. Classical physics, like Newton's laws, work great for big stuff like cars and planets. Quantum physics steps in for the super tiny things, like atoms and particles, where the rules of classical physics just don't cut it. In the classical world, things have definite positions and speeds. In the quantum world, things get weird, and you deal with probabilities and uncertainties. Got all that? It's wild, but that's the beauty of the quantum world. It's a whole different universe with its own rules. What do you think about these concepts?